Sales boosting techniques number 3. Utilize Amazon FBA Fulfillment by Amazon. Using Amazon FBA has several benefits, including access to Amazon's Prime members who often prefer fast shipping. FBA handles storage, packaging, and shipping, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Products that are fulfilled by Amazon generally have better visibility and trust, which can result in higher conversion rates. Keep an eye on your storage fees and inventory levels to avoid excess charges, but the benefits of FBA often outweigh the costs when it comes to increasing sales. Helium 10 Tool Inventory Protector. This tool safeguards your inventory from misuse by customers trying to exploit coupons or discounts. You can also use profits to monitor FBA fees and overall profitability, helping you make smarter fulfillment decisions. So, start selling on Amazon like a pro with Helium 10. Press the link below to get your Helium 10 discount. Use coupon code PRO10 for lifetime 10% off or PRO20 for 6 months, 20% off. Start now and take your business to the next level.